Draw a frequency and relative frequency histogram for the number of cars per household data. To draw a histogram, we will have two axes, a horizontal and a vertical axis. The horizontal axis will be the number of cars, and the vertical axis will be the frequency. On the horizontal axis, we place the data values for number of cars, which will be 0 through 5. And on the vertical axis, we use the frequency, which goes from 0 to 22. Above each of the values for the number of cars, we will draw a bar that goes up to the frequency. The bars will be touching for each of the data values. For 0, we have 4. For 1, we have 13. For 2, we have 22. For 3, we have 7. For 4, we have 3. And for 5, we have 1. And this is the frequency histogram. Now let's draw a relative frequency histogram. We will have a vertical and a horizontal axis. The horizontal axis will be number of cars, and the vertical axis will be the relative frequency. We will place the data values for number of cars on the horizontal axis, and we will place the relative frequencies on the vertical axis. The relative frequency values can go from 0 to 0.44. Above each data value, we draw a bar that's the height equal to the relative frequency. For 0, we have 0.08. For 1, we have 0.26. For 2, we have 0.44. For 3, we have 0.14. For 4, we have 0.06. And for 5, we have 0.02. And this is our relative frequency histogram.